The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalm 23:1. As my thought sinks deep into the quietude of my innermost self, I am conscious of the perfect peace and love and strength of the one universal being, the one divine mind. It is like a tranquil pool, translucent, calm, and beautiful. And as I contemplate it, I am refreshed. I realize that it is all-pervading, in all and through all, and that it is my true life, my true being. Now I am divinely confident of the unity of life. There is but one life, one body of love, and all are a part of it, one perfect being. As I look at nature, I see how every part melts into another in a great transmutation. One part could not exist without the others. In human nature, the fusion of love and thought makes us one. In the true meeting of hearts and minds, there is scarcely even the need of words. I know that in the one mind, there cannot be misunderstanding. In the one love, all are included. I have absolute faith in the principle of life, the law of love, and so I permit love in its freedom to express through me, to radiate from me. Knowing that it transcends all other manifestations, I am filled with divine confidence that the law of life work just as accurately as the laws of mathematics. I use these principles constantly, every hour of the day, in every situation, in every adjustment.